photoshooting today. Eat chips salaba? Yeah.
Exactly.
Sure. Sunny, like I was problematic.
Yo.
Over a lot.
No, you cannot. In many ways, that you could choose to live your life. But that's not the way to go. I'm giving myself a pep talk to say you can't buy a bottle of vodka. You're not Annalise Keating. So the thing about me and alcohol is I don't like to buy bottles and keep at my house because I'll drink. I like to drink socially. So if I go out every day, then I'm drinking every day. But don't buy alcohol and drink in the house like a loser. I'm not saying people who do are losers. I just bully myself into not buying alcohol to drink at home. It works. It works. But I'm giving myself advice to say, Renee, don't do that.
POV.
I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I had a body tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my reflection. In this cold season, close enough. You could say every time we touch, every time we are. Wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One day I'm ready, where your heart is. Each face feels broken hearted. Cries to that feel way too far in. I'm going to see just someone you to see us too.
You forgot what?
I forgot my bag upstairs.
I think I underestimated how heavy this thing is. It's quite heavy. Leva ifaka ku chicken ne. I don't know ukuthi bona basenza kanjani but asikho mnandi sabo.
Actually, awunochuku.
I-chips zalapha
Awunochuku chu.
ungabuza noyonela.
Awuyonela yena akazazi kahle kahle empilweni ba yini le.
Let me see that video.
Yini kahle kahle le ekuye erhouse. Angijone mama.
At least abakubonanga. Ushowing waye 40 mahiri but hey no videos and pictures.
Ngenze ibe short kaloko kuba ngingathwa no videos and pictures.
Oh but inhle. Ngathi ngumuntu oserious.
Awukho serious kanti.
Kaloku ifana nalando uthi umbaza ngathi ubhadlile.
Nguwe lo.
Ewe but chip yakho 5 seconds rule.
I think Orasta need to buy.
Hey, kuthi nafaka i-onion engaka.
Yami disable son. Inguku engenamlenze.
Rasta akana discrimination ngalokho.
Like we're supposed to buy ngibhatele how much? It is a follow. I think ezinye ziza le ezakudala bezithenga.
Bane fridge car. Do they have a fridge?
Yabona lento engafuni ngidlele phandle.
I just bought socks for 10 rand. I'm gonna hike with this. Cool. Sometimes I don't feel like vlogging, but the story has to make sense. I just left work now at 3 p.m. So I've got an errand to run in town. I've got to do my fingerprints at 4:15. Where is it going? I'm going to town. It's me and my Google Maps against the whole world. I ate. I'm too big. Yes, sis. The maximum capacity in here is 3 people, understandably so, because the kitchen in Dugu.
Long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush. This might take us a while. Yeah, I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say a word. Got no time to play. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only. So baby, do it right, do me right. We can go over time. We can move fast, then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, collide. It could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide, collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Said it's all yours if you want me, all yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top of my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Glorifying in all these forms. Back to future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported.
Do you guys see the problem with
application layer sharding, significantly simplifying the management of growing agitated
if Miso is not booking musicians that are not playing, they're just sound checking the whole time. They're playing music on YouTube and they don't even have premium, so the ads are not getting skipped. So we have to still watch the ads, which is very informative. Like, this is really cool. This is something computer related, like they're showing us a tutorial.
This gives you flexibility to start small and grow your database.
You used to call me on my cell phone. You know when you need our love.
In 100 meters, turn left onto Strand Street. Turn left onto Strand Street.
Our love. And I know when the hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. And I know when the hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. And ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out.
Hi guys, good morning, good morning. It's like 8:37 now. I am shooting today at 10, so like I'm a bit late because I had to do my makeup because I want to be fly for the camera. Guys, there's 2 boys at the station, like they're looking at me like, Iva. Can you stop doing that yourself? Hey. Oh no. Oh, do you know how again way something lento no. What are you doing, sweetie?
Yes, why?
On a brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. Shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. Although I know what else around. Got me taking a step on the round side. Cutting round ties with the mother guys. Where you in my eyes. Loving me nice and slow. You made me wanna go.
So I need summer to come again because different about this to a wine farm with a little short green dress. This wine farm, Stellenbosch. Should I wear these shoes at my new job? You think I'm kidding there, but this is a genuine question. The morning sun is really wonderful. Good morning, guys. I literally just woke up and I'm going to spa. I'm going to spa. You see this meme here?
Turn it up, now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown. Niggas saluting and trying to give me a pound. I don't really fuck with you niggas is clowns.
I think it's kind of vibey. Hey, what's going on? Who's that? No, that's not who I know. I think it's kind of vibey, but also like I haven't been outside. I don't know. The timeline of events is a bit. I think the last time I was outside was last weekend. Oh, okay. Yeah. But I'm so glad I got a chance to rest. This coming Thursday. Today I get it a Saturday. This coming Thursday I'm going to the Sanlam head office to go sign my contract. Contraga. I think let me do this when I'm properly showered and looking cutesy. But today, not doing anything. I'm gonna go do my hair. So when I get home, I need to clean, shower, undo my hair, wash my hair, prepare my hair, and then go to my chica to volunteer to do my hair. Guess what color? It's not even gonna be in the snippet because I want you guys to see it for the first time. I love that color. Well, I love all color. It's not pink. Before people are like, ugh. I mean, I'm a pink girly, but I love all color, honestly. Guys, like, oh, it's such a beautiful Saturday. I was looking at my legs. I think they're properly moisturized. You know, winter, guys. I use Dawn and tissue oil. So I think they're properly moisturized. I was worried. But anyway, long story short, tomorrow we are hiking with the boys. No, I need to sing it. I need to say it in the Lana Del Rey note. With the boys. She's 16 and we had arrived. But tomorrow we are hiking with the boys. We're not doing like a big hike. Last week we were in Constantia Neck, so now we are just doing like a small Newlands trail. I gave 100%, but all I got from you. I've just I was detangling my hair. Look at that, the curl definition pattern. As you can see, I'm just throwing random 4C type words. But shrinkage is a real thing. 0, 0. Gave 100%, but all I got from you. Thought you were the one. I can't wait for you guys to see my new hairstyle. Like, I can't wait. I removed my yellow nails. It's a mess. So I'm gonna put on a different color to match my new hair. Let's just see the transformation. I think let's see tomorrow when I go hiking in the morning. I'm gonna pitch in and be like, hi guys.
You take video?
Yes, I do, because I'm a YouTuber. So who calls it ganja?
It's weird. It's the same. Ganja and weed is the same.
It is. But like, you scared that guy's like, no, we don't have ganja. I don't know. Even me, I just know the one person.
Keep it this money. Tomorrow you buy for him.
Oh, I want it today. I want those to me.
Shoot me now.
But maybe this is good. I'm saying maybe this is good.
Do you see? Because it's what we were cooking, no?
Yeah.
Exactly.
So hence I'm saying shit. But I think do you get my point?
Yeah.
Then I'll be like, hey, by the way.
No. Are you willing to untie your hair?
Yeah, otherwise the one who's not wearing a hat could like wear it if he doesn't mind it.
Where?
Neil take your yeah, she got hurt by this. I thought I was pregnant. Is it? Then I'm permanently pregnant. I'm permanently pregnant.
Permanently.
Kingwana Maria.
Maria
Majus.
Oh,
She was
my Sheila. Okay. I think she got a water now.
that juice? Wow. That's chili or
Yeah?
That's chili or that's okay. Have I tell that's okay?
No, you can't say
No, I can.
Let's read the...
Have I tell orange juice with cells, preservatives. This is preservatives and orange juice.
Total sugar.
Of the orange, so you don't eat fruit right now as well.
It's not the sugar of the orange. The sugar of the orange is called something. No.
The sugar of the orange is what?
It wouldn't be called sugar. This sugar speaks to processed sugar.
Hi, suka. I don't believe you. I don't see it. There, orange juice with cells, apple juice and or pear juice, preservatives, potassium sorbate flavorings,
Okay, let me just take a
vitamin.
sip because we are going through this thing just because you
Exactly.
want me to drink your juice.
Like, and there's no such added sugar. I'm not used to being official with anyone anymore. I'm so... This guy's really worried about that. You've got 2 hours.
Of what?
Is that a video?
No, 2 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You
recognize it, don't you? Obviously, you do.
Yeah. So we got down and we were taking
And you fell.
just so like I was just like,
That sounds dangerous.
no, it wasn't like a...
and I think I almost fell in.
More, you have to be serious.
Huh? Wow. Okay, no, I can't. I need slow pills for this shit.
Yeah.
I did it. Who's next?
No one's
You're
next.
in charge right now. You have no idea.
That's good.
The dragon in charge?
Adrenaline, dragon.
Oh.
Jonathan.
This morning I swore I was a dragon because I felt like he said your dragon is charged. Yeah, I felt my dragon is charged. No, I woke up this morning. No, I woke up this morning and there was heat in my... There was heat here. I felt like I was a dragon. Yeah, I felt like, oh! My dragon is charged.
And now you're a dragon in charge.
Now I'm a dragon in charge. I'm a dragon in charge. No, I can't. Oh God, a dragon in charge.
Oh, that would be the best thing in the world if Table Mountain. If Table Mountain was actually the garden of... Ooh.
That's actually so nice.
The original snake?
Probably the original snake. Probably, and
Because even in the illustrations, they like it's in going up on a tree like
the
this.
Carderos.
Yes, but can you see how it's toiling around a very thin branch? Look at that.
It's called,
Zoom.
isn't it in the nursing symbol as well?
Yes.
Nursing symbol, like if you look at
Yes, but the
ambulance,
nursing symbol is
two heads
yes.
coming together, symbolizing unity.
Okay.
So what would this one symbolize?
I don't know, but I'm fascinated by how it's toiled around a very thin branch.
Yeah.
Not a thick branch, but a thin branch. So it's thicker than the branch that it's toiling around.
How did it even toil? How did it
Maybe it definitely is the original snake. But look at this entire tree. Actually, it's toiling everywhere.
Can we touch it?
I don't want to touch it.
You would like. I can't remember it now, but in the moment.
The first one was about them holding him captivity, right? The second one was he already free trying to rebuild.
Because there's some of them that are quite deadly.
Who says we cannot?
Please, can we not touch any plants? Mo!
I didn't. But this is hard.
Keep the vision.
Is it about eating it or touching it?
Don't touch it, Mo. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
What is it about eating it?
Yeah, because I thought it's mostly about touching it. I mean, eating it, sorry. That's like deadly.
Chin up. Renew.
That was not audible.
It was.
No one's gonna eat them. No one's gonna eat them. I'm
I'm
glad I got this stick here. I'm going.
This is an experience. Eh? O batla o mo phele sitshi eno wena ha o mosadi eno.
Ummametse lo. Security fight. Mathata.
It's just that you so.
So like.
Tsamayang kita latela. Just want to grab this nice ass photo.
The strawberry kadile.
Yeah, I just have to check on it because you know in a little thing of looking to record.
Okay, she had to have. What's happening? Take a look.
Yo. It is a beautiful view.
Sure.
Very forestry.
Sure.
Very forestry.
Love yourself. Get up and dance. Level up. 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 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up. 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 All this on me so yummy. All this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy in your tummy. Level up. 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 So yummy.
Careful with that pole.
Yeah, this one's not stable. I don't know what to do. Okay, go. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I feel like.
Good too. Is
I'm making a stable for you.
level up. Level up.
On another level. You can talk all you want. Greater, nothing I'm afraid of, and I can have it
Morning. Hi.
The suit you had. Welcome to Cape Town.
Thank you. Welcome to.
Aish! Lunana! Vanavag! Oh, look at this! Gorgeousness! Yo! Emma hanging. I'm so happy with this shot! There we go, Mo, I can't see you. Mo, I need the hat off. There we go. Mwah. And then close the shot. Renew. Yes. Ho teng batho ba tlang ka moraro. Ho teng dinja. Ke hona ke di utlwang. Oh. Hi, no stress.
It's very grounded.
Oh.
I'm back.
Oh, no, but last week.
What do you mean last week?
No, I just wanted to add fuel.
No, I don't. You were here.
And I said, I'm well in that door. So I took fed.
That she was like, next time just pull me from the action.
Because it was a lot, guys.
Yeah,
that day was setting me
how
up.
beautiful that thing. It looks like those cartoon mushrooms. Not that anyone's gonna pick
Yes!
up. It just
does.
like,
It does.
Actually.
I saw it
That was a
like
good pickup.
a cartoon mushroom. That's dope.
Oh, look at you.
And,
See, now we're collecting the
and it's
mushrooms.
also like red, like pizza house. So that's
Ne?
very interesting thing.
Yebo baba. Scooter baba.
Is it
Yebo
also-
baba. Scooter, aye, hey.
Oh.
Are you going this way?
No. It's not all about what's
Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. We didn't build nothing overnight, cause a love like this takes some time. People swore it off as a face, said we can't see that. Now from top to bottom, they see that we did that. It's so true that we've been through it. We got real see, baby, we've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home. Cause I can't sleep without you, baby. Anybody who's ever loved you knows just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, baby. I got a question for you. You already know the answer. Still, I wanna ask you, will you lie? No. Make me cry? No. Do something behind my back and then try to cover it up? Well, neither would I, baby. My love is only leveled up. Yes. I'll be faithful. Yes. I'm for real. Yes. And with us, you'll always know the deal. We've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home. Cause I can't sleep without you, baby. If anybody who's ever loved you knows just what I feel.
someone said in life we need to have the ability to have difficult conversations, and I agree, but I also think that we should choose